In today's fast-paced content creation landscape, staying ahead of the game is crucial. With the rise of social media and video platforms, creators are under intense pressure to produce high-quality content quickly and consistently. That's why we're excited to share with you a game-changing solution that can help you streamline your video creation process and take your content to the next level using AI and Invideo. As creators, we all know the drill, spending hours upon hours on editing, re-editing, and perfecting every detail of our videos. It's a tedious and time-consuming process that can be overwhelming, to say the least. We struggle to balance quality with speed, often sacrificing one for the other. But what if I told you there's a way to achieve both? With the advent of AI technology, we can automate many of the tedious tasks that take up so much of our time, freeing us up to focus on the creative aspects of video production. Many of us have experienced the frustration of spending an entire day editing a single video, only to realize that it still needs more work. We're not alone in this struggle. According to a recent survey, over 70% of creators spend more than 4 hours editing a single video. That's a staggering amount of time that could be better spent on scripting, filming, or engaging with our audience. The truth is, traditional editing methods are holding us back, and it's time to explore new solutions. From color correction to audio, the sheer amount of editing required to produce a high-quality video is daunting. And let's not forget about the countless hours spent on rendering, exporting, and uploading. It's no wonder many creators feel burnt out and stuck in a cycle of tedious editing. But what if we could wave goodbye to those tedious tasks and hello to a more efficient, more streamlined process? That's where AI technology, specifically Invideo, comes in. This revolutionary tool uses machine learning algorithms to automate many of the time-consuming tasks associated with video editing. From automatically adding captions to adjusting audio levels, Invideo can help you produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those with little to no editing experience. With Invideo, you can say goodbye to tedious editing tasks and hello to a more creative, more efficient you. Imagine being able to focus on the aspects of video production, including scripting, filming, and engaging with your audience, while leaving the grunt work to the AI. It's a real game changer, and we're excited to show you just how powerful it can be. The tool is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to create a stunning video in just a fraction of the time it would take using traditional editing methods. And the results are nothing short of amazing. With Invideo, we can produce high-quality videos that are both visually stunning and engaging without sacrificing hours of my time. The results speak for themselves. By automating tedious editing tasks, we've been able to cut our editing time in half, giving us more time to focus on the creative aspects of video production. And the quality of our videos has improved dramatically, with more polished transitions, crisp audio, and stunning visuals. In today's fast-paced content creation landscape, using AI and Invideo is no longer a nicety, it's a necessity. And by streamlining your video creation process, you can produce high-quality content quickly and consistently, staying ahead of the competition and engaging your audience like never before. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create a YouTube video in record time using AI and Invideo. We're excited to hear about your own experiences using AI in video production. Leave a comment below and let us know how you're using AI to take your content to the next level. And if you want to learn more about using Invideo for your video production needs, be sure to hit the subscribe button.